In this video, I'll be teaching you on where do you find your T4 in CRA account. So first, you need to access your account via CRA. So you will see the My Account button, and once you click on that, you will see the option 2, which is using a CRA user ID and password. So you just have to click on CRA sign in. Once you click on that one, it will ask you to input your user ID on the text field as well as your password. And then you just have to click on sign in button. Once you logged in, you will see this page. You will see last CRA sign in. Just click on next button, and as you can see, you will see the tax information slips, which is basically includes the T4 and many more slips. You just have to click on that one, and then you will be going to select your tax year based on your preference, and then select also your information slip that you wanted to view. Like for example, in T4, just select the T4 statement. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.